Hi, my student. Our lesson today is recent, very fantastic, and people love and look forward it. That's a Christmas. The lesson is Unit 13 Festival. Read Christmas. Do you want to play a game? Yes. The game is Week Ace. You write the names of the festival you have seen. Now take a look, please. The first picture is rice cooking festival. Buffalo fighting festival. Cock fighting festival. Lunar New Year. Delicious cake. Sticky rice cake. On Vietnamese people always have sticky rice cake attached on the Lunar New Year. And the last, we have Christmas. Christmas is a time for people to get together to enjoy a special party. And now before you read, you should learn some vocabulary that are so useful for your test. Now look at it. It's a tree. It's so beautiful. Is it right? What is it? Christmas tree. Christmas tree. In this, you write your wish and wishes and then send to your friends and relatives. That is Christmas card. Christmas card. The songs which people sing at Christmas. Christmas carols. Christmas carol. Who is he? He is wearing a red suit. He is giving children gifts, presents. He loves children. He is Santa Claus. Santa Claus. And who is he? Patron saint. Patron saint. Before Lunar New Year, Vietnamese people always clean their house and decorate to welcome Tet. That says decorate, decorate, decorate. You enjoy the pictures and then say aloud. Please say aloud. Let's start. What is this with the picture 1? Christmas card. Picture 2. Patron saint. 3. Santa Claus. 4. Christmas carol. 5. Christmas tree. And the last picture is decorate. Decorate. Decorate is a verb and we have the noun is decoration. You write the vocabularies in your notebook. Please write in the notebook, please. And then let's do a small exercise so you can easily remember the lesson. Now, guess 4 special things at Christmas. Just guess. Read. Read the text. You listen and read. Listen and then you read.
Christmas is an important festival in many countries around the world.
The answer of 4 special things is Christmas card, Christmas tree, Christmas carol, and the Santa Claus. Now, you listen the 14th.
Christmas tree. One Christmas Eve in the early 1500s, some people decorated a tree and put it in the marketplace in the Latvian city of Riga. This custom spread throughout Europe and finally to America in the 1800s.
The Christmas card. In the mid-19th century, an Englishman wanted to send Christmas greetings to his friends, so he had someone design a card. 40 years later, cards were a part of the Christmas tradition.
Christmas carols. 800 years ago, Christmas songs were formed for people in towns and villages. These songs were stories put to music, and most people enjoyed them. The leaders of the church, however, did not. They said the songs were unsuitable. But about 180 years ago, the songs became popular again.
Santa Claus. In 1823, the patron saint of children, Saint Nicholas, appeared in a poem called A Visit from Saint Nicholas. The character in the poem was a fat, jolly man who wore a red suit and gave children presents on Christmas Eve. The poem, which was written by Clement Clark Moore, an American professor, became popular in the USA. Santa Claus is based on the description of Saint Nicholas in this poem.
You should pause the stream and read again yourself at least twice. Read yourself again. Christmas tree, Christmas card, Christmas carols, Santa Claus. These are 4 special things at Christmas. And now, an exercise helps you understand the text clearly. You fill in the blank. You have 3 columns, and you must complete on the blank. You have 3 columns. Column 1, Christmas special. You think about 4 special things I have told you. Column 2, place of origin. You have to write the place it happened. And column 3, you must complete the time. Christmas tree. It happened in Riga and the time is in early 1,500 ago. The Christmas card was in England in the mid-19th century. Christmas carol, we have no information about it. And the time is 800 years ago. Santa Claus is in USA and in 1823. Now we have question for you. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 questions. But pay attention to me, please. The question from A to D. You have the past form. So you have to answer in the past form. And the last question you see in the present simple. Remember that. Open your book and write in your notebook, please. You have 5 minutes. Now this is the key for you. How long ago did the Christmas tree come to USA? More than a century ago. Why did Englishman have someone design a card? He wanted to send Christmas greetings to his friends. When were Christmas songs first performed? It's they were first performed 800 years ago. What is Santa Claus based on? On the description of Saint Nicholas in Professor Morse's poem. He appeared in a poem. Who wrote the poem A Visit from Saint Nicholas? An American professor, Clement Clarkmore. Now time to relax. You enjoy the song.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on both days ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing this sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Is this interesting? And now I have another exercise for you. The class exercise. I give you a map as a tree and you see the detail and retell the story for me. Retell the Christmas with 4 special things. Christmas tree. Christmas tree is in the early 1500s. It happened in the Lesbian city of Riga and was put in a marketplace. It spread throughout Europe and finally to America in 1800. Christmas card was in the mid 15th century and it was written by an Englishman. Christmas card, and you continue use the information to retell, please. If you can't retell the story, you can open the book and write and say aloud the information. Now, thank you. And now you have written up homework using the information in the map to write the brief paragraph. Doing your exercise in the workbook preparing unit 13 language focus. Thank you for your listening. Thank you.